It was on this day 3 years ago when the unimaginable happened to me, when I lost my Mr. Wonderful and my darling, gorgeous little boy, Fraser, in that road traffic collision. What has happened since that day has been such an emotional roller coaster. I know that Stewie would say that to me. He used to hate that on the X Factor. Oh, it's been an emotional roller coaster. But it has been. And with every up, the down has been awful. But through donation of Fraser's organs, and what we have actually managed to achieve in the last 3 years has really helped keep Elizabeth and I going. So today, I've taken Elizabeth away so for us to have our mother and daughter time. But I wanted to utilise this day to thank you, to thank everybody for the support that I've received. I really couldn't have imagined or how I would have coped without it. Thank you for those people that have provided me with support to other charities, to Wish Upon a Star, Bernardo's, people that have assisted me on a day-to-day basis. Thank you to those personal friends, those ones that have been there for me through thick and thin and haven't forgotten me through every single day in the last 3 years. Thank you to both mine and Stewie's family, whose support has been unwavering. And thank you to you for believing in me, for believing that I could continue to make sure that everyone knew the complete fabulousness of Stewie and Fraser. We've now got this animation out there, and thanks to Mike Young, who is now my adopted dad, we've got that, and it's reached over 8 million people globally. So today, there will be tears that are done and will reflect on the loss of the boys. But do also think about it. Think about the fab gift of life. And whilst I'm off radar, please share this animation and please think about what you could do to help to remember the importance of what Fraser and Stu taught us. And that's about the fab gift of life.